guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. In today's video we will show you guys what needs to be done to remove or replace side airbag on a vehicle, guys, the curtain airbags. We're going to explain, guys, what needs to be done because we actually removed the headliner on that vehicle and we can demonstrate, guys, how the system functions and all that stuff. Quick introduction, guys, to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, guys, so we can keep providing that free videos, guys, and free information to you. Now, if you need to buy any parts or tools for your vehicle, guys, that we use in our videos, check out the link in the description of the video below. All that will be shared there, guys, for your convenience. This is a 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan, guys, but many vehicles, okay, will use that design of side curtain airbags. Now, one thing that you will need to do, guys, first, before you even start working on your vehicle, you need to disconnect your car battery at least 1 hour before the repair. That way you will minimize the possibility for an airbag to explode in your face or anywhere else and kill you, guys, because airbags are very dangerous. If you're not qualified and certified to work on airbags, don't, guys, consider this entertaining video. Now, right here, guys, we have the headliner completely removed. Okay, that ceiling, headliner, roof, everything is gone, guys. We had to remove the whole thing. Why? Simply because that's how you guys access the side curtain airbags. Okay, you have one on the passenger side, you have one on the driver side. Okay, check it out. And they go usually all the way from the back to the front, guys. You can see how long that thing is. So when they go out, guys, you will need to remove the headliner in order to replace them. Otherwise you will not be able to. Most of the times, guys, these airbags are held in place, okay, by a few screws or by a few bolts or a few clips. And I'm going to go ahead, okay, let me walk to the other side so I can show you guys, okay, what I'm talking about, okay, and what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead, open the door here, get in and show you how it attaches to the vehicle. If you guys want to see how to remove headliner on a vehicle, we'll have the link in the description of the video below, so please, guys, check it out. Now, airbag, okay, right here, guys, okay, you can see you have a clip here, one clip here, you have, guys, one metal clip here. Usually, okay, like on that vehicle specifically here, this thing doesn't hold it. This is just for the handle that you have on the headliner, okay, to hold if you need to get in and out of the vehicle. But then you have another clip right here, plastic clip, guys, check it out, metal clip, actually this one, another one, a few there. And now let me show you where you have two usually bolts, nuts. Okay, you may have them in multiple locations. This vehicle has only 2 nuts. Some vehicles will have 3 to 4 bolts. I've noticed this one has mostly clips, guys. But if you come right here, this is your airbag, this is the wire right here. You need to disconnect your wire, and then in our case we just have one nut here and one on the bottom, okay, over there. You can see that nut. So practically that's how you guys get to the airbag. So you can see on this side the same thing, guys. You will need to remove the headliner. We'll have the video, guys, and we will share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. And once you do that, you can get to the airbags. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.